urge you that before we start, take a little time to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so let's continue. So after opening it, this will be the interface. And this is going to be our working space. This we are going to work. Yes. So first of all of these things have their name. This one send you to the default working space like this. And this it send you to the default working space like this. So then this is text when you want to add text. This is when you want to add shape. This is when you maybe this one is just for background sizing, resizing and things, how to size it. And this is for enhancement. Then basically we have this project here. Project keeps all the file or all design work we have saved inside. So we call this bar. We call this bar or area here that I'm just pointing. All this we call it template bar or template area. So when you come, there will be more template there like this, a lot. So let's say if I choose this, you see it will come into change to 3D like this. That's what we call the template. If you change like this, so this is it. Then this one is just default. So if you want to add text to this, let's say you want to add text to this, come and type here, come here. Then maybe let's say I want to add smartphone graphic designing. So smartphone graphic designing like this. So okay, then you can type okay. It will come like this. It will come and be showing there like this. So this is how it is. This you have to make it active. So you type this, it means it's active. Then you can type on edit and you'll be able to edit. Okay. So then this all when you type on this all the icons that will be here can be used, but if not the text, you can't use it for anything. If you want to bring shape, then you come to the shape icon down here. This one, type on it like this. Then see they will be giving you a lot of this one can also be used within this selection. If this is not active, you can't use it. So if after this, or let's say you want to bring a shape, like maybe you want to bring a square or something like that, you can just type on shape there and you see a lot of shapes. So here are the shapes that are here. You can choose, let's say if you want a circle, you choose circle to come. If you go there again, you can choose any type of circle you want here. So that's it. Okay, then after this, these are arrows. Maybe I want arrow to be on my this thing. I can bring this, can use it, see to be there. Yes. And this is maybe one you see, you have been seeing this. Maybe I want to draw something like that. I want to draw something maybe like this or here. But there are a lot into this. So as we are learning, we'll go in down to this. You can just do this and okay. See how you have a line that's like this. You can use it to work maybe. Yeah. So then this is a draw tool. If you want to draw something, just come maybe increase your pencil size, increase your smoothness to how you want. Then let's say if you come, if you type here, you see you are using your hand to draw. Yeah. So that's how this one also works. This one is the import button here. When you tap on it, it will open. Then you see this your gallery. You can choose maybe any picture of your choice. Let's say I want this. I will choose this to bring. Then maybe this one too. You can crop and change it to any size you want here. Maybe I want to turn it, I can use this. You see, rotate this, maybe the angle, circle. So these are the shape sizes too. So this how this one also is for importing. So that's it for here. When you come to this, icon here, tap on it, it will open this thing for you. You can change the background color here. Let's say you see changing these colors. You can make it transparent to here. Image size, the background size. If you want to make, maybe you want to take it to be YouTube thumbnail, you can just type YouTube thumbnail. Okay, you see the size has changed. You can also manually input your size. If you want to crop it too, you can crop by. It's like this one is not working here. If you want to use image here, maybe there are default images on the this platform. You can just type here. See, there are images. So anyone you want, you choose. Let's say choose this. See the way it is changing. So anyone you choose from gallery here. Then you see there are a lot. So let's say I choose this, it will come. You see, you can move it. Yes. So if I come here like this, then I can come back and send it to default. So we are here again. So that on that too. So if let's say let me come to project, you see what I've done. There are a lot of them here. So this is what we are just using as our advert and this thing. You see the way it is. This here I did it. So the way you want the things to be, that's how you are going to arrange them. Let's see something here. Type on this. It will open your properties panel for you like this. See everything that we did, I did is here. Everything I did is here. So I started from this. See this? I used this to add the background. Then I added the shape. This is the shape. So that's how it is. From here to crane. That's how you're going to what? Import them and write. Thank you. So I hope you are learning something. If you are learning something, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
But by the Spirit of the living